In this video, we are going to see how we can completely hide our home tab on our channel. So basically home tab is where you can see your featured videos, all the recently published videos, all the posts and all in one go. This is the home tab. When you visit some channel and you click on basically that channel, you get the home tab. So if you want to disable it for your channel, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the top right hand corner on the profile icon and you click on the YouTube Studio. From here we click on the customization and from here we choose home tab. If you want to disable that, like I have disabled right now, you just toggle this off and it will show you all of these options in blurred mode. After that you can publish that, and when you view your channel, basically this is the view you get without the home tab showing right here. So that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.